Well, it's finally really happening. Electronic vehicle titles are almost here. We've been working in collaboration with many vendors, including DocuSign, CarMax, many other major automotive professions, to get electronic titles working. And now dealers are starting to get ready for this. Many of our dealer clients are looking forward to this tremendously because dealing with papers and documents and having to have paper titles all over the place is a pain in the neck for a dealership that might process hundreds of vehicles a month. So having these electronic titles is going to really be a load off the shoulders. And even if you're a consumer, it's going to eliminate a lot of paperwork. Look, every time we do a title package for somebody, you will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. We have a package of paperwork that has a folder with two sides on it. This is going to eliminate a lot of bureaucracy and red tape for you as a consumer to have electronic titles. So depending on what state you're in, it may be a while, maybe a few months, maybe a few years, and it may only start with dealers and then auctions and then lenders and then filter down to the consumer civilians. But finally it's here. Our collaboration with eStart, you can find on our website. cartitles.com is our website. We have information about eStart, which is the vehicle title electronic conversion collaboration that we've been working on for over a year now, is finally getting to the point that electronic titles are a reality. So appreciate all your support in following us and watching how these titles work, knowing that in the future you getting a title is going to be a lot easier than it is now. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live one-on-one undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.